Hi everyone, this is how to open the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus for any repairs. Check the description for the required tools, safety gear and compatible parts. Start by powering off the phone and removing the SIM tray. Now begin removing the back cover. Apply gentle heat around the edges to soften the adhesive. Place the phone with the back cover facing down on a heating pad and run the mobile phone heating cycle. Alternatively, use a heat gun or hair dryer and apply heat evenly around the edges. Avoid overheating, as excessive heat can damage the back cover or internal components. This model may have strong adhesive around the edges. Reapply heat if needed. Once the adhesive is softened, use a suction cup at the bottom edge to create a small gap. Insert a plastic upright tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. Keep the tool shallow and take your time. If needed, reapply some heat. Once the adhesive is fully separated, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the 5 screws securing the wireless charging pad. And then disconnect the battery connector. Next, disconnect the wireless charging pad connector. And then gently pry and lift the wireless charging pad away from the body. And now you can continue with further repairs.